welcome back to my channel. For new viewers, make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a fan of Vanessa Lynn, because Vanessa Lynn is a little gang of all gangs. So today, I'm gonna do something new and different because I haven't been doing makeup, but I've been wanting to. I've been dragging because I did not want to wash my makeup brushes, but I finally did, and I made some TikToks doing that. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. I blow dried them so that they would be ready for this video. I've been saving a lot of like makeup TikToks on my phone. If you guys have like makeup accounts that you really love, or nail TikTok accounts that you really love, anything in that realm, let me know down below, because I love watching that stuff because it motivates me to get ready. It motivates me to try new things. I'm looking really crazy because all you need to see is up here, you know what I'm saying, right here. But anyways, the TikTok that inspired me is this one. I'm not going to play the audio because I don't want to get copyrighted. Yes, ma'am. And I have like really bright neon colors. This is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and it's like super bright. The camera's not really picking it up. I don't have yellow, but I have a really light green, so we're gonna see how this goes. I haven't played with eyeshadows recently because I don't know, I just gave up. Like, I was obsessed with it at first, and then once I bought the brushes and actually got the eyeshadows and started using them, all the colors started to blend together and look like a black eye, so I just gave up. But I'm here to try again because practice makes perfect, right? So let's get started. First things first, the concealer. We're gonna conceal our eyes because this is gonna be the base, I think. I'm assuming. Thankfully, my eyebrows are tattooed on basically, so I don't have to do them. I just gotta underline them. Wait. Let me put the tape on. I forgot the tape because I cannot do straight lines when it comes to eyeshadow. So let me get that together real quick. Continue. This is a lot of freaking concealer. Hopefully I don't look like a clown in the end. Let me try to blend it out a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna apply powder. Mini beauty blender. It's very stained. I just ordered the freaking beauty blender cleaner, so I can't wait to try that and see if it really gets rid of the stains. I would never be able to apply eyeshadow after I do my full like base of makeup, like the contour, highlight, all of that stuff. The people who do are like psychopaths, I swear. Now I'm gonna dust off the excess. Kinda made it yellow. I think I put too much. Oh my god, I got freaking concealer on my under eye, now to my eye. Ugh. So glad I don't have my contacts in. Moving on. Oh my god, this looks so horrible. Okay, first color, my lightest color is the green, so I'm just gonna go with the It's a Party. So she did it like right here. Oh snap, look at you, sis. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I could do this, and then I've seen a look where you just do this and then you put some eyeliner, lashes, or just lashes, and it's a look. Yes, ma'am. And she's doing it pretty close to her eyebrow, so oh my god, if this looks good, I'm doing more. I never understood doing the top lid and then the bottom lid. Why not just do it all together? Wouldn't it make more sense because you already got that brush? I should probably use a smaller brush because this is a lot of eyeshadow, or maybe I'm just not used to it. How we looking, sis? How we looking? Yeah, this is kind of fast. I think it's because I have the right brushes and my brushes are clean. Oh dang, she didn't go that high up. Don't go by the arch, boo-boo. Don't go by the arch. The pink doesn't seem as pigmented. Too bad it's like 8 o'clock, and now that I have a baby, I get like super sleepy and tired at 9 o'clock, so I probably won't even get all the way dolled up and take any pictures. We're my parents that understand. What time do y'all usually go to sleep? She doesn't have blue, but I'm gonna do blue anyways. I'm gonna add the light blue, so I didn't switch the brushes because it's gonna overpower the pink anyways. And I'm gonna use a clean brush to blend out the pink and blue so it doesn't look so harsh. Look at me thinking I'm knowing what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, some of you guys are probably cringed out right now. Take it easy on me, you gotta start somewhere, right? See, if I didn't have the tape here, I would be screwed right now. Instead of just putting concealer on top and making it super like cakey and thick, she took a Q-tip and makeup remover and lined it up. Oh my god, this is gonna take a bunch of Q-tips. This is so hard. Okay, so this is how good it is. Oh my god, I look horrible. This is how good it's gonna look before I start seriously messing it up. I'm just going in and blending it because I forgot to do that before. I literally can't do it anymore. Like, it's looking so horrible right now. So let me go ahead and try to apply this concealer again to try to clean it up. Oh my goodness, I hope this comes out good. It was all fun and games until I had to take a layer off. That's not bad. Okay. Let me try to set it again before it starts creasing and doing some weird stuff. It looks like I have a black eye, but a colorful one. Trying to open my lids a little bit more, so I'm going just above the crease. Ignore the wig. It still look crazy, but I mean, that is crazy. Next thing she did was the eyeliner. I'm about to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Ow, 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 ow. Bad idea. I shouldn't let it be so sticky. When you're doing eyeliner, you have to be super quiet because one wrong move and you're out of there. If you can talk and do eyeliner, you're a psychopath. The one thing about setting it, I don't know if it's the powder that I set it with, it kind of made my eyelid hard. I don't know if I just put too much or it's the setting powder, but it's kind of making it hard to do straight lines. Oh my god, I love glitter so much. It's like so glamorous. No, I kind of messed it up by looking. Okay, let me concentrate. Moment of truth. I mean, lashes make everything better, so if my lashes don't make everything better, I officially suck. I really thought this was gonna be easy. Turns out I was wrong. Okay, boom, I already put the mascara on. Now I'm just about to secure the lashes. Gotta have the dramatic ones for a dramatic look. Yeah, so I did a full face because it just wasn't doing any justice to not have one. So I guess I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. Boom. What you think? Can't really tell because these lashes are so obnoxious. Maybe I should have curled them first so that they would lay more straight, but you guys get the point, right? I think if I got graded on this look, I would get like a C-. Definitely got some work to do. I think this took me like 2 hours. Maybe it's the under eyeshadow because I never do that. I feel like I'm ready for Halloween, low-key. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Rate me as if this was like a test or something. I'm definitely gonna try it again later on in life. When I look back at this video, I'll probably delete it. Yeah, this is treacherous. This is sad. Well, thanks for watching anyways. Give it a big thumbs up because it helps me more than you know. I love you, Nessa Gang, and I'll see you in my next video.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna